Hello, TMR adventurers, and we have made it to Universal City.
That's right, we are in the Frankenstein Valet, and we are headed to a very, very special event.
Yeah, VIP day at Universal Studios Hollywood. Let's go. The VIP tour here at Universal Studios Hollywood is an extra cost, but well worth it because you get ahead of the lines and exclusive VIP access. We made it over to the VIP lounge inside an original Lon Chaney Phantom of the Opera poster. Amazing.
We're doing it! The VIP tour.
First stop on the list was the Walking Dead haunted walkthrough. We weren't allowed to film inside, so no footage. Moving right along. Waterworld.
We're about to see it.
15 years later, and I am so excited. I'm like 9 years old all over again.
Explosions, pyrotechnics, all kinds of great stuff. All right, right there, okay? I need gunfire now! Shoot this guy! She's getting away. Thailand is my destiny!
Hey! Deacon!
What? Oh! No! Hello! You!
If you want to see the entire video of the show we captured, check that link up above to see the entire Waterworld stunt show at Universal Studios Hollywood. After that action-packed show, we went to check out Despicable Me, Minion Mayhem.
So they actually, here in Hollywood, have a whole Super Silly Funland area, and the front facade of the ride actually has a couple of the houses, so it kind of models the neighborhood that Gru lives in. It's kind of awesome. What do you think, Stacey?
I love it. I wish our Universal was a little bit more like this. It's definitely expanded and not just a street corner.
Now for some animal actors.
Definitely. I've never seen this show, even in Orlando. I'm really excited to check it out.
Yeah, so let's go see some of the Hollywood animal actors.
Lights, camera, and action.
Perfect. Stay still. Sparky's gonna see that dollar and know exactly where to fly. Wow, thank you. Enjoy the show. And just one arm out, palm up like a little landing pad. Sparky, she's been a great sport. Gonna take right back where you found it. And an excellent job by Sparky. Iris and Olympus are both Eurasian eagle owls. You might recognize them from the Harry Potter movies. And a beautiful flight by Mayhem.
Get you back there. Hang on, we're almost there. I'm so excited. We're gonna beat the Emperor. I'm coming, Dad.
This last segment was from the Kung Fu Panda 3D film and encapsulates the entire room at the end. Really interesting and really cool. Next, we moved into Hogsmeade, which was amazing having a tour guide leading the way. Now it's time
The Forbidden Journey.
Yes, first time doing it on the West Coast. Have you ever been sorted? What house are you? Let us know in the comments below. To To end our day in Hogsmeade, we went over to Ollivander's Wand Shop to see some magic.
All right, it's time for a beer, but not just any beer. Your Wizarding World of Harry Potter butterbeer.
TMRtours prefers that frozen butterbeer over the regular, and that marshmallow topping is amazing.
Puking pestos.
After the Wizarding World, we had our complimentary lunch.
We're here at the Moulin Rouge, and we're about to have a feast of French feasts, I guess. It's for VIP members only.
After our meal, we went down to the lower lot for our multiple hour excursion of the Universal Studios backlot. Bypassing that line to go backstage to the backlot.
Very excited.
Look at that line. Pretty long line. You're welcome. We wouldn't have to stand in long lines like that at all today. We're zooming by everything, going in the Universal Express. These bungalows on the left side of the trolley were first built as dressing rooms for some of Hollywood's biggest stars. Nowadays they're used as offices only. Offices for production companies and directors, producers and writers.
Tons to see on the backlot and just as much to learn. Also, since it is an active backlot, you never know what productions might be filming.
Going around the backlot.
Yeah, seeing all the things behind the scenes.
Ooh, this is cool.
It's raining in old Mexico. Okay, I can tell you're a creator range for TV and film. We use a very high-tech device called sprinklers. We shoot the sprinklers upward, allowing water to fall back down first naturally. As that down creates rain for TV and film, lightning is lighting effects, thunder is sound effects. Old Mexico is a very old set. Many productions, including Shameless on Showtime starring Chloe Mason, House on Fox starring Troy, Community on NBC starring Noel McGill and Tim Chase. These rain droplets are 3 times thicker than normal rain droplets. Oh, where's that wicked? Oh, we're headed north. There's a flash flood headed for the trolley. Whoa, get us out of here. We're over here.
The Flash Flood set has been a staple of the Universal backlot for decades. And moving ahead, let's take a look at the Earthquake subway scene as well.
Many productions, including Bones, starring James Florian and Emily Deschanel, also Beverly Hills Cop 3. Whoa! Stopping. What was that rumbling? Oh no, take a look to your right. The water main is broken on the right. We're all gonna drown. Don't to the waterfall. Alright, the door's open. We'll get us out of here. Everything okay? Everything alright? Everything okay? Oh, take a look at the water. There's a police diver in the water in a cage. That's Officer Tomas, making sure there's no more sharks. Wait a second, look, there is another shark. And it's time for Officer Tomas. We got to get his attention. Tomas, get out of the water. There's a shark heading your way. Tomas, listen to me, there's a shark. We can't hear me. Oh, it's too late, the shark has got him. Poor Officer Tomas. He had a lot of guts being out there. And there they are, there are the guts. There are the guts and entrails. Oh, it's ignited. And another explosion. The whole pier's on fire, but a good thing is I don't see the shark anymore. I think he swam away. I think we're okay. You can get as close as you want. Then he goes back and plays the next door. And who can tell me what kind of shark is Bruce?
Great white.
Not great white, plastic. There you guys are right. He's a plastic great white shark. Little Pounds with Bruce. How the Grinch Stole Christmas, directed by Ron Howard.
Mr. Grinch.
Who played the Grinch? Jim Carrey. Let's go. Get ready for the two most famous sets still standing all of Hollywood. The Bates Motel and Up on the Hill, the Psycho House. From 1960's Psycho, directed by Alfred Hitchcock and starring Janet Leigh, Anthony Perkins, and Vera Miles.
We all go a little mad sometimes.
You just saw where Norman Bates works, the Bates Motel. We're now headed toward where Norman Bates lives, the Psycho House. And take a look at the second floor window. You might even see Mother. I see you. Oh, and look at the porch! There's Norman Bates. You stay back, Norman. At least he doesn't have a knife. I spoke too soon. He does have a knife. Get us out of here, Ken. All right.
All right, so first off,
We were at Norman's house.
Yes. Norman!
Right next door to the Bates house is the War of the Worlds plane crash set. Now, it has been used in other features, but this is the largest set on the Universal backlot. Really amazing to walk these grounds and see this up close and personal.
in the 1970s international flights. This was purchased at a plane graveyard in the Mojave Desert for, $60,000. To move in here to Universal Studios backlot, it costs $200,000. Yeah, very expensive.
Amazing. So let's go take a look at some Universal props and costumes.
All the extras.
Let's make a list.
We finished our tour with a look at the costume department as well as the prop warehouse, which has some of their old attraction pieces as well as historical movie props.
Well, TMR Adventures, that's going to be the night here at Universal Hollywood.
That's right. We went all around. Top studios, back studio, whatever they all called it. Plus
Upper and lower.
Upper and lower studios, plus a whole bunch of rides and shows. It was a great first visit.
Great time, great walking around the backlot, bucket list, going to the Psycho House. Oh, so amazing. So guys, hope you enjoyed it. Check out all our stuff on all our social media. Of course, TMRtours, TMR Production Studios. We'll see you on a future adventure.
Kungaloosh.
Kungaloosh.
Thanks for joining us on this TMR tour.
Subscribe for more vacation tips.
Drop a comment below with what you want to see next.
For more information and Disney tips, check out all of our social media. See you on another adventure from around the world. Kungaloosh.